Hello, all of you beautiful people out there in the land of the internet. I need to get a couple of key bits of information out to you all. First and foremost, I am on Twitter. That's right, no longer is Design Prototype Test a one-platform channel only visible on YouTube, but I will be transitioning and putting more and more content on Twitter as time goes on, videos included. But in order to do that, I need to monetize, which means I need 500 followers over there. Currently, I'm at a 180. So follow the link in the description, click the follow button over there, and help me get established somewhere else. I would greatly appreciate it. The second bit of information for you all is the fact that I am going to the Rocky Mountain RMRRF Festival 8 days from now as I record this video. Come and see me there. And what I'm doing in the background is I'm making version number 2 of this 100% 3D printed ukulele. I'll put a link in the description to the original video, but it's time to make a more functional version so I can play some nice soothing sounds, some pleasant chords to calm everybody's emotion as people come around at Rocky Mountain RMRRF Festival and yell at me because I dare to criticize their favorite cult, that being Prusa, a robotics company totally deserving of a cult following. So anyway, yeah, so you can see it in the background printing on the Ender 3 S1 Plus, which is a pretty fantastic printer, and I think it costs about the same, or maybe even a little bit less than the Prusa i3 Mark III right here. And you can see the front of the Prusa, or I'm sorry, the front of the ukulele trying to be fitted on the Prusa couldn't possibly make this. Meanwhile, a printer that costs the same, or roughly the same, and makes gorgeous sidewalls with zero, what do we call them, inconsistent extrusion artifacts, and so it's larger and it prints better quality and it costs less money or about the same. It's a no-brainer. Why would you buy an i3 Mark III when you can print a ukulele on a Creality printer? So yeah, hey, there's a little living up to the reputation that this channel has for hating on Prusa. Yes, because those words I just said were not legitimate criticisms. Those were hate-filled, negative words. Yes, that's how that goes. All right. Come and hate on me then for daring to criticize your favorite 3D printer company. I will be sitting at my table at RMRRF, Rocky Mountain, I don't even, RMRRF, yeah, Rocky Mountain, whatever, what's the initials on that? Anyway, yeah, come see me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.